Alright guys, I'm starting getting mad. I think I accidentally deleted the 3 videos that I'm transferring in my computer. Oh no. Yesterday I did exercise. My legs is killing me. My legs is sore, my abs is sore, and my arms is sore. So it's not too bad when you get used to it. Even it's sore, it's still fine. The only thing I feel like laughing all the time if like I'm gonna go downstairs. Every time I step, my legs is shaking. So yeah, that's a little bit story that I'm gonna tell you guys. And before we're gonna start, I'm gonna do an unboxing today. So I remember my last video about my unboxing. I get too excited and then opened the package that I opened the package that wasn't mine. So now I'm gonna make sure that the package is mine because I don't want to open it, but that's not mine. So well, actually I do already check it. These packages is all mine. So I have 3 boxes, one smaller box, second is medium box, and third is the large box. I don't know what's that packages because I didn't order nothing. Dan ordered it, so I don't know. Let's go. Okay guys, let's start it. Let's start guys. Ayan sa likod ko guys, ayan yung nakaupo lang sa stool. As you can see, those are the package, the bigger one and then the smaller one, and then the bigger, medium, and small. I mean large, medium, and then small. So we're gonna start with the let's go start with the smaller box guys. A knife for that. Let me grab real quick knife and let's grab it. Okay, this is for Dan. Basically for me too. So this is for Dan. It's Daniel. It says Daniel. Oops. Ow, almost stop my fingers. Ooh, my battery is dying. I think this is all for camping stuff because we're gonna go camping soon. So he bought a Nescafe blend and brew original coffee stick. We're gonna take it to the camping site. Ayan guys. And ooh, I don't know that he bought me a sleepers because my sleepers is old and it's old. So probably he noticed it and he ordered me at the same sleepers that I have. This is old and dirty already. This is really comfortable guys. I love this sleepers, really soft. But ignore that it's already dirty and then it's old already. So he bought me a new sleeper. So sweet. Ito guys, oh, pink din. Oops. Alam niya talaga, he knows what I like everything he knows. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that guys, ang ganda talaga. It's so nice, like it's really soft. Sleepers, I love these sleepers. There you go, and thick. I like that a little bit heels on it. I don't like the flat. I don't like flat sleepers. I don't know. Every time I step, it feels weird to me. So I got those. I like this a little bit heels on it. I like that maybe because I don't know how I walk. But yeah, I got new sleepers. And then I don't know what the bigger box. We'll see guys. Let's open it right here. So today's video guys is all about unboxing. I think this is all for camping stuff. Probably. It's hard to open, guys, huh? I'm struggling. Alright, this is for Dan too? Okay. So this is for Dan too. I don't want to open the package that wasn't mine. Yay! Oh, I told you! He knows me! He knows what I like! This is for camping! Oh my god, it's so cute! A backpack! Because we're gonna go up to the mountain and then we're gonna... I need this type of backpack. Oh, this is really cute! I like the color! Oh, come on, He knows. He knows what I want. Ang ganda. Yay! Open natin, guys. Ang ganda naman. Gusto ko to. Ayaw mag-focus ni best friend. Yan. Gusto ko to. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, pink na pink eh. Ay, ang hirap tong partner, Buti na lang meron akong shoes na ganito yung kulay na shoes. Wait lang, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Meron akong shoes na ganito yung kulay niya. Teka lang. Kunin ko yung shoes. Pakita ko sa inyo. The same sila ng color. So, pwede ko siyang i-partner. Yay! Alright, guys. I'm starting getting mad. I think I accidentally deleted the 3 videos that I'm transferring in my computer. Oh, no. The videos, like, I already transferred 2 videos and that's pain, but I have to refilm it again. What is the last video that I took? Oh my god, that's so... Alright, guys, I guess I'm gonna because I'm about to edit it now, but I couldn't find the 3 videos that I'm gonna attach to my blog. So I don't know. I'm gonna repeat it again and redo it again. Like, oh my god, it's gonna pain in the butt. This is how reality, guys. I'm getting mad already. But okay. I'm just gonna take everything upstairs and then I'm gonna film it here upstairs just to continue what the videos I already started, because it's gonna be not make sense if I did not continue the unboxing though. So alright, guys, I'll see you later. Alright, guys, let's do it again. Saan na ba tayo? I don't remember what this is the last video. Oh, the shoes. Alright, guys, so that sucks. I have to redo it again, refilm it again, because I couldn't find the 3 videos that's supposed to be edited today. So guess I'm just gonna continue it. So the bag, it's very cute and it matches with my, good thing it matches my shoes, so this goes together. So yay, they're the same color, so yay, I love that. And then Dan got like orange, he got the orange one for, that's gonna be for camping backpacks, because we're going to camping soon. So yeah. And then he bought this fire starter. You're gonna start the fire for cooking, maybe, I don't know, I have no idea. And then the Arizona stick tea. I think this is the powder one because it's thick. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna take this and this one for camping. And then what else? The last one is the it is 6 o'clock in the evening here, guys, so it's dark already. That's why I'm using this lights in front of me, because anyways, who cares. So we got I don't know what did you call this, it's basically kind of like yoga mat. Yeah, it says yoga mat, and it's pink. He knows what I want, I like. So this is probably mine because it's pink and it matches my backpack. Oh my god, everything is pink right now. And then we got 2 yoga mat. The second one is blue, and his house look like, guys, malaki siya. Yan. This is we're gonna use for sleeping, for camping, because last year I do remember we don't have a nice mat, and then we sleep just like thin like blanket, cloth blanket, something like that. And our place is like bumpy, and the ground and rocky. You have rocks on the ground, so it's not comfortable when lying down. So this is perfect, be nice and comfy when you're lying down. I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.